Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Beautyforever and I'm taking it back. You guys, we are making our own Upart wig. I know. We haven't done that since like 2016, but I wanted to have a Upart wig that I could take off that fits perfectly. So that's what we're doing today. The hair that I have from Beautyforever is the Peruvian water wave. I have 3 bundles of 24 inches and we're gluing this to our cap. So if you want to see me make this U part, just keep watching. So we are almost to the finish line. The hair is extremely soft and this is the natural color it came. I was going to dye it jet black, but I also need to re-dye my leave out jet black. So I figured it's kind of like a dark 1B in my hair right now. It's like a dark 1B. But making a wig is hard. The last time I did it on my head. It was a little easier, but it took me all day because I took a lot of breaks. This one only took about 2 hours or so. I took breaks as well, but I realized this is hard. I need to practice making U parts again, and I think I might start making U part wigs again only because I love the versatility, and a lot of the ones that I do have are kind of like the same texture, so I need variety. But here's the finished product. I sewed 2 combs at the sides and clips at the top, and I know I messed up because I didn't want to leave out so much leave out, but I see this because I ain't made a wig in so long. I forgot, like, soon as you cut that extra cap, it expands. So literally, I'm gonna remake this U-part wig because I want little leave out, but we made it work and it's cute. It's just a lot of leave out. Okay, so here I'm just applying the wig. I'm clipping the clips and tucking the combs or putting the combs in my hair. So we are going for a deep side part look only because I want to layer the hair, but I'm just going to wait until I remake the wig. So I feel like with my hair out, it will give it like that layered look, if you know what I mean. So to blend my hair with this water wave hair, I am going to go in with my crimper and crimp my hair, and let's hope and pray that it blends. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it
But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I it's lost now.
Okay, so here's what we're looking like. I'm just adding some edge control to my edges, which are thinning out. Please leave me suggestions on what I could use. My last quick weave really kind of did it for me. I felt it pulling on my edges and I knew like this don't feel right. So I'm probably going to lose a few hairs, and that's exactly what happened. So yeah, your girl needs like some hair oil for growth. But anyways, I'm not mad at the blend. I like how it looks when I brush through it. It kind of fluffs the hair up and I love that. So I'm just going in with some hair serum to add some more shine to my natural hair because the bundles have a good luster to them. They're nice and healthy looking, so I just wanted my hair to blend. And this is the finished look. I'm not really a side part girl, but I kind of like this, so I think I might do a couple more like side part looks. Um, but yeah, this is what the hair looks like on me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be sure to put all of Beautyforever's hair information in the description box. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.